Hi guys, I'm going to do a quick video of a test of my latest version of the 3D printed foams in my Vanquish Phoenix. I've been doing several different versions of them, so we'll see how these go. I've got my softest ones in the front wheels and sort of medium ones in the rear. So bear that in mind when you're watching. The fronts are softer than the rear. The Vanquish is quite a heavy rig, so I think maybe having the softs in the rear is perhaps too much, but we'll see. Okay, on with the video. So conforming over now. Not sure what I can get. What's the rears doing? Can you see that? See the tire there. Conforming, but it's not as squishy obviously as the front ones. Squishy, it's a technical term. Now, this is interesting. Before, it doesn't let me go this way. There you go. That's nice. It's fairly smooth, there's no bumping I don't think. I did it too quick for my liking. Oh, well, okay. What do you think? I really would like to hear anyone's opinions on whether they think that looks a good setup. Is it too soft? Are they not soft enough? What are your thoughts? Personally, I think it's looking pretty good now. As far as testing in the garden is concerned, initially I was kind of thinking they were too soft, so I've gone harder, and now I've gone back to going a bit soft again, so they at least conform. So far we're testing outside of the garden. It's because everywhere's so wet and muddy at the moment, you don't really get to sort of, the tyres aren't gripping very well anywhere, because they get very slick and grimy quite quickly. I do want to get out and do some nice testing on rocks that aren't, all damp, and my tyres aren't all slick or covered in mud. I've also got the Hyrax tyres on there at the moment, which is intentional because I've got two sets of those. So I've got another set of wheels with dual stage foams in. So what I want to do, I might go to Clevedon at some point when if I think the rocks are going to be dry, and try and do some lines and compare the two. Ideally, I want to find somewhere or a route that one of them fails on, to see if the others will make up, or to try and. Ideally, I want them to be as good as the foams. I'm not really expecting it to be any better than a dual stage foam, but if they're as good as, then they've done their job, because they're also not going to rot when they get wet. So, yeah. Let me know what you think, please. I would. Constructive criticism, please. I'd be interested to know what you think. If they're too soft, or should I go softer? I don't know. I don't think I should go softer, but then maybe on more natural terrain they won't conform enough. We'll see. Well, I thought I'd give a bit of a comment afterwards. Hope that's been of use. Let me know what you think. Bye for now.